Hey, my name is Valkyr and I'm a UK-based Twitch streamer playing PC games on a daily basis to an audience around the world. It also means I love gaming computers and gaming laptops. Today we'll be unboxing the OMEN 15 gaming laptop and checking out its features. When you open the box, you'll be presented with a few items. First, you've got a documents pack which includes a setup guide for the OMEN 15. Second, we've got a nicely branded box which inside contains the power for the laptop. Finally, we have the main event, which is the OMEN 15 gaming laptop itself. You'll instantly be hit by how sleek and stylish the laptop is, not to mention how compact it is for how much power is under the hood. Opening the lid for the first time and removing the screen protector, you'll be presented with the Shallow Black keyboard, featuring 26 key rollover anti-ghosting technology and a beautifully lit RGB backlight which can be customized in 4 different locations. The narrow bezel design just adds to the beauty and another reason why this gaming machine is easily portable. The OMEN Tempest cooling system allows for 3-sided venting and a 5-way airflow, ensuring optimal system stability and performance when gameplay heats up. The connectivity allows for a USB Type-C, 3 USB Type-A's, a mini DisplayPort, a HDMI 2.0, an Ethernet connector, headphone microphone socket, a card reader, and a power port. The 144Hz screen allows for a faster refresh rate, meaning the games you play will be much smoother. This is also highly recommended when looking for any gaming system. After booting the machine for the first time, you'll go through the Windows 10 setup. After completing this, you'll be able to use the machine for the first time. The system is built with the new Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, meaning a stronger and faster wireless connection to your laptop, which is perfect for gaming. After setting up, I would highly recommend to check out the OMEN Command Center, which is pre-installed on the device. From here, you can perform such tasks as checking the system vitals, boosting your network to perform better for gaming, customize the 4 locations on the RGB backlight, control the performance of the laptop, along with switching between the hybrid and discrete graphics cards. The Command Center also offers some rather unique features, including coaching, which is artificial intelligence driven performance feedback to enhance your gaming. My Games allows you to aggregate all of your games into a single place, making it easy to quickly load into the games you play most often with ease. Game Time allows you to track insights into your gameplay across multiple titles and see data that you've generated. Needless to say, if you're after a blazing fast machine which will be able to play all of your games and portable, then the OMEN 15 is the perfect choice. This system includes an Intel Core i7-10750H 6-core processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Max-Q graphics card, 16 gigs of memory, and a 1TB M.2 SSD. The OMEN 15 gaming laptop is available now from Curry's PC World.